Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin from my Sigari channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin na gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, na spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, bago ang lahat, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na yung mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng langit at may kapal. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, guys ha, maraming salamat. And of course, umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Pisces. Ano ang pinaka-messages, advices sa'yo ng Spirit Guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? There's a page of wands. There's a good news. May magandang balita daw, T. And of course, there's a two of pentacles na magdadala sa'yo ng balance. At the same time, there's a four of swords. Listen to your intuitions or your gut feeling, na kailangan lagi ka makikinig sa inner voice mo. Additional messages. And of course, the four of wands. There's a celebrations or an energy of twin flame energy or celebration for wedding, binyag, ganon. Or there's a reunion, no? There's an homecoming, or there's a Nine of Cups, there's an offer, proposal, email, messages. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands, there's a victory and success, no? Ace of Wands is a new beginning coming in for you. What is the Page of Wands? The Hermit card. Now, may good news dito na maglilinaw sa'yo about sa spirituality, sa soul enlightenment. No? Kumbaga, bigla ka mag-clear dito lahat ng mga iniisip mo, even yung mga, kumbaga, yung kaba or something na nararamdaman mo. So, what is the Two of Pentacles? And of course, there is a Four of Cups. Okay, sinasabi ng Four of Cups dito, there's a re-evaluate or analyze, no? Maging balanse ka. Hindi ka dapat nagbigiging padalos-dalos dito. Kailangan, bago matanggapin niya isang offer, i-analyze mo, i-visualize mo, at kailangan balanse ka sa eksena na yan. And of course, there is an angel's number by the 444. So, ibig sabihin, angel's number, there's a 444 that you are on the right path, no? What is the Four of Swords? And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo, no? I-let go mo raw yung fear, anxiety, deception, and stress. What is the Four of Wands? Kasi may mga bagay tayo, guys, na hindi mo na isa sa katuparan. Kasi nga, nawawalan ka ng confident dahil natatakot ka. At the same time, there's a the Sun card. Magkakaroon ka ng pure positivity dito. Positivity na magdadala sa iyo ng success and of course ng celebration. At the same time, there's the Wheel of Fortune. There's a good luck na papasok dito. There's a destiny to happen. Ito yung proposal, kumbaga, ano siya, everlasting promises, gano'n. Something na magdadala sa iyo ng proposal or email or messages. Kumbaga ganun siya. And of course, there's a good luck. Kumbaga parang sinasabi dito, may swerte papasok din sa'yo. It's an offer for a lifetime, no? Parang isang offer siya na hindi mo makakalimutan. At the same time, there's a hangman in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a stuck or feeling delays or something na kailangan mong baguhin yung perspective mo. No? Kaya nagkakaroon ka ng cancellation or delays that because of there's a toxicities behind. So, what is the Page of Wands and the Hermit card? What is the Page of Wands and the Hermit card? Okay, there's an Ace of Pentacles. Ito yung good news na magdadala sa'yo ng big opportunities or big money coming in. Wow! Pasabog, T. Lot of money coming in. And of course, there's a Three of Pentacles. There's a collaboration, teamwork, no? Kailangan makikipag-coordinate ka. Kailangan mo rin syempre tumanggap ng mga proposal or offer ng ibang tao. Lalo-lalo na yung katrabaho mo, di ba? Hindi yung dapat, hindi lang ikaw, no? Dapat nakikipag-cooperate ka rin. And because there's a Nine of Pentacles, there's a practicality. Di ba? Maging practical ka. I-let go mo yung fear, labanan mo, at kumawala ka sa comfort zone. About sa finances, kailangan maging practical ka. What is the Four of Wands and the Sun card? And of course, guys, there's a Three of Wands. Waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. May inaantay kang umuwi dito. Something na parang inaantay mong umuwi or something na inaantay mong pumunta. Diba? And of course, there's a Page of Swords. There's an information. No, makakakuha ka ng information o nakakakuha siya ng information na kumbaga inaantay mo siya. Taray! May paganto. So, what is the Nine of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Star card. Wow! Kumbaga, there's a jackpot na pinakita dito na mukhang, ito yung hiniling mo no? Yung swerte ay dumapo na. Yung swerte ay pumasok na. With the Star card, wish fulfillment, a miracle healing coming in. No, parang some of you guys nakakakita ko na there's a lot of money. Or, parang nasa sense ko, parang may big loto o nakikita dito or something na may mananalo ka sa isang eksena. What is the Ace of Wands and of course the Hangman, of course the Seven of Wands, protectionan mo yung sarili mo, 'di ba? Laban dito sa toxic behavior mo. So what is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Eight of Pentacles. Being dedicated, no? Kumbaga mag-focus ka daw dyan sa trabaho, negosyo mo. At the same time, there's a Four of Pentacles. Kumbaga, kailangan i-hold mo or kailangan mo mag-budget or kailangan mong protectionan yung pinaghirapan mo. At the same time, there's a Full card. There's a Leap of Faith. The process and progress is coming and a new beginning is coming your way. No? Additional outcome. There's a Chariot card. Maraming parating, maraming ganap. Diba, Ting? Ganda. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's a mirror, reflection, no? Some of you guys na meron ditong tinatawag na mirroring sa relationship. Kaya kung kayo ay nasa karmic relationship or something, wag kayong gagawa ng bagay na alam yung babalik din sa inyo. No? Kung pagdating sa relasyon, kailangan magiging trust and loyal and faith kayo. At the same time, there's an I like you. Talagang gusto ka nitong person na to, no? And kasi sinasabi dito, romance is blooming. Taray! And of course, there's a talking, no? Kumbaga, there's an interested talaga. Interesado talaga itong tao na to sa'yo. Mukhang hindi ka lang niya pakikiligin. Diba? Harot ha, gigigil ako. Charis, what is Archangel Michael messages? Focus upon divine at perfect health. So, ibig sabihin, mag-focus ka daw sa health mo. Diba? Huwag masyadong ini-stress yung sarili. And keep your eyes on your target intention. Kailangan doon ka sa target mo talagang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Diba? Yung life purpose mo at the same time. And of course, positive thoughts create a positive outcome. Yun sinasabi ko, diba? Yung toxic behavior. Kailangan mong excuse me. My God. Excuse me guys, sorry. Pero kasi sinasabi dito na kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng positive outcome dito or positive result, kailangan always positive. 'Di ba? Iwas nega. My goodness, bigla ko na submit. So, what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Okay. There's a faith, no? There's a divine intervention. Dito susubukan ng tiwala at pananampalataya nyo, no? At the same time, there's a detachment, no? Kailangan mo nang kumawala kung nilalamig na siya or may paglamig. And of course, there's a union, no? Sabi ko sa iyo, meron talagang may homecoming kineso dito. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? Angel Spirit Guides. Give me an information. Sensitivity. Kailangan maging sensitive ka sa mga bagay-bagay, sa mga pagbabago nangyayari sa'yo. Di ba kailangan maging aware ka dyan, T? At the same time to decide. Kailangan mo na magdesisyon. Ngayon na. Charis. There's a nutrition. Oh, meron talaga about sa perfect health mo, T. Na meron ka dito about sa mga fruits and vegetable. Kailangan mo kumain na masusustansya. No? So, what is additional messages? My God. There's a premonition, prophecy. Okay. May spiritual, kaya pala may spiritual enlightenment dito kasi meron ka dito pangitain, T. And of course, there's a yellow by adaptivity or personal power, no? Kayang-kaya mong i-adapt yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa paligid mo, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-control or kayang-kaya mo siyang i-manifest. And of course, there's a spiritual activation. Meron talaga dito spirituality, no? Meron talagang kaugnayan dito sa spiritual and of course, the soul searching or soul enlightenment, no? Na magdadala sa'yo ng finances. Siguro some of you baka tarot reader din kayo or something na kumbaga, marunong kayong bumasa. No, kasi there's a premonition, ibig sabihin there's a kumbaga fortune teller din kayo at the same time. There's a stairs, direction timing, kumbaga there's a perfect timing sa lahat ng eksena. Maaring ngayon pa lang mag-a-activate ang kakayanan nyo, 'di ba? There's a perfect timing. Marunong ka mag-antay, wag mo masyadong inaagad-agad yung kakayanan mo. No, hayaan mo siya mag-grow on your own. Lalabas kasi yan naturally. Wag mong pilitin lumabas kasi pangit 'yon. And because there is sunlight, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo rin ng sunlight dito, T, no? Kailangan mo ng vitamin C or something na kumbaga yung vitamin na galing sa araw, no? Vitamin sunlight or something ang tawag doon. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a fear. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, diba? Some of you natatakot kayo. And of course, there's a health. Meron talaga ditong health issues, T. No, kailangan nyo magpa-check up or kailangan nyo ng mga vitamins, no? So, what is additional messages? What is this energy? What is this energy? Angel Spirit Guides. There's a magician and the mirror. See, there's a manifestation and of course there's a reflection, 'di ba? May mga bagay na mamamanifest tayo depende na yan sa ginagawa natin. Kasi magre-reflect lang din sa atin yung ginagawa natin. Yun yung sinasabi dito. Kaya what goes around comes around. And of course, door to personal healing and happiness. Don't you worry. Kung may mga karamdaman ka, may pintuan daw para sa kagalingan at kaligayahan. Ha? Kumalma ka. So, what is the Monsology? Take time to breathe out. Sa kailangan mo lang huminga ng malalim or huminga ng maayos or something na kailangan mo sigurong pag-isipan. No? And of course, there is a fairy climax approaches. Nasa exciting part ka na. And of course, time for healing. Meron something healing dito. And of course, there's a spiritual activation. Some of you siguro may about din sa black magic. Something siguro. I sense dito kasing there's a spirituality. So, magpatingin kayo sa albularyo or something na makakatulong sa inyo para ma-enhance kayo kung may mga kakayanan kayo o may instances or may mga pangitain kayo na baka makatulong yung mga may alam na. 'Di ba? What is the chakra? 'Di ba? Mas maganda yung nagtatanong kaysa na, 'di ba, nag-iisip ka ng walang kaalam-alam, 'di ba? Because there's a fake kids, diba? Wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. Gano'n, parang sinasabi dito, no? And of course, there's a growth. So, baga sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka ng expansion. And of course, self-worth, no? Alam mo dapat kung ano yung halaga mo. Diba? So, let's see, diba, yung time ngayon is 4440. Lakas ng energy na. Meron talagang 444 dito. Ayun yung pinaka-angels number nyo is 444. Lakas ng energy. Paki-search na lang ha, from Google kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng 444 angels number. And of course, there's oh my God, may 1111 by twin flame energy, tapos twin flame energy. 444 sa 1111, paki-check na rin ha. Sinasabi dito, the universe is arranging people and experiences on your path to help you succeed and helping you wake up who you truly are. See? kumbaga pinapakita dito ng universe na sinusuportahan ka sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. At parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan na, kumbaga, kung sino ka ba talaga, kung talagang kakayanan mo, kung ano yung purpose mo sa buhay mo. Di ba? Mamaya may life mission ka pala, P. So, what is additional messages of life? What is the messages of life? There is an appreciation. Okay. There's an appreciation. Today, I apply all that I have learned during my spiritual guest. I practice love in my life. Daily life, I allow my inner light to lift my thoughts. As I do so, the law of universal love take root in my life. See? Kumbaga, ina-apply mo yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. Even yung mga natututunan mo, lahat ng mga pag-aaralan mo, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, handa ka matuto. No? Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na kailangan mong i-open up yung sarili mo sa mga possibilities kasi kapag yung sarili mo ay in-open mo sa spirituality, there's information na susubukin ka ng mga problema at mga pagkakataon. No? Kumbaga, diyan ka talaga patitibayan palalakasin. Kaya, kung sakaling i-open mo yung sarili mo sa spirituality, maganda ka sa mga pagbabago sa buhay mo na nasusubukan na i-enhance yung spirituality mo. Ha? So, ibig sabihin dito, maraming pagsubok na darating sa buhay mo, titignan ko magiging matatag ka. 'Di ba? Kung i-embrace mo or tatanggapin mo yung offer ni God, be it. No? Basta sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mong tanggapin ng buong buo, no? Ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos at talagang bukas sa loob mo gamit ang puso mo. Para at least kapag nakikipag-ugnayan ka sa ating mga angel spirit with your heart and full heart and faith. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon. Para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!